This demo, I'm just going to be walking you through how to connect GitHub to Azure DevOps. And just note that for each project, you can only have one GitHub connection, and it is at the project level. It's not in an organization or a team. So to start, you want to go into GitHub and the repository that you want to link. So you want to go to settings, just general settings for the repository. Then under access, click collaborators. And then under manage access, you add collaborators and then just search for their name in GitHub. That's for if you're a team leader or if you need to ask your team leader to add you. Once that's the case, you now have access to the repository and your user account can generate tokens to allow access to other software. So to create the tokens, go to settings, GitHub as a whole settings. Sorry about moving this around a lot. Then on the left-hand side, scroll down to developer settings. Then personal access tokens, choose tokens classic. As you can see, I have a lot of test ones and a Azure DevOps one, and they're all expired, which is good practice. They were very short-lived ones. So we want to generate a new token, classic, and we want to add the following permissions: repo, all of it, admin, repo hook, all of that, read user and user email. Read user, user email, but not user follow. It's a subcategory. That's it. Generate token. Oops. Because it's just for the demo, I'll have that expire. Whoops. Tomorrow on the 13th. And this is only here once, so you want to copy that hopefully into a password manager, but here I'll just use text edit. Oops. So copy that. And just leave that for now. Now you want to go into Azure DevOps, and in the project you want to link a repository to. Go to settings, GitHub connections. Here I'm just going to remove this. You can only have one, but its tokens run out, so remove. Now you can connect your whole GitHub account, but you probably don't want to do that because you might not. This is just the whole project setting, not just your own board Azure DevOps setup. So click personal access token, add the token. So if I go to my note, where was that? Add that in. It's connected, and then select the actual user. So my user account is cfen44, and then the repository I want to add, which was my fork of Redback Cyber, just to be safe. And there you go. You've now added it, and now you can create a task. Oops, where is it? Work item. And if you go to the right, you now have this available. So I can link to a commit, request, or branch. So if I want to create a new branch just for this task within Redback Cyber, and then use the branch information test. Yeah, so that's it with connecting GitHub.